You gotta chew it.
You gotta swallow it.
Is there a minimum bite count?
If it's the P one. Okay, we're doing being boozled for some reason.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
I need like that.
Oh no, they're not all separate.
Oh jeez.
So you gotta like decipher which ones are which. And all the flavors we got. It could be cappuccino or liver and onions. It could be toasted marshmallows or stink bug. It could be pomegranate or
Old bandage.
old bandage. It could be tutti frutti or stinky socks. It could be peach or barf. It could be birthday cake or dirty dishwater. Could be blue or berry blue or toothpaste. Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. Juicy pear or booger.
Oh, good lord.
Buttered popcorn or rotten eggs. So that's wholesome.
I need like an extra cup.
Yeah, so how are we gonna do this then? We're gonna just flick one and then we each get one of the kind and then see if we get a booger one or not?
Yeah, you just
try it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start at this end. You flick it and then we'll each try one of the kinds.
Should we have spit cups?
No, you gotta eat it, Jim.
It's not very good.
It's not
no.
a very good flicker.
There we go.
Oh, okay.
But I don't.
Toasted marshmallow or stink bug?
Oh, that's such a bad one.
It's the black, white and brown cow speckly looking one. Oh, please don't be stink bug. It's stink bug.
No, it's not. It's not. How do you know?
Because it doesn't taste like a fucking bug.
Oh no. Are we all doing one at like? Yeah.
Same one.
Okay.
What was that?
I think it's.
Marshmallow?
I think that one.
Oh, I thought you were going to flick at your own.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't taste good.
Now we get finger fuck, stink
no,
bug,
yeah.
marshmallow. Oh, you got it
We got
anyways.
the same one, anyways. Yeah. So.
I think it was this
Pick the one you got.
I think it was this one.
Please be a stink bug.
Dog's
Man.
fucking knocking into the what's it.
Stink bug one?
Well, you're not reacting,
No,
so it's
that's-
marshmallow. I
that's
got the stink bug.
Yeah, I don't know. This one doesn't taste good. I don't know what it would be, but
This one right here.
birthday cake or dishwater.
Well, your favorite.
I don't know what that was. It kind of tastes like coffee. Birthday cake or dishwater?
Oh man, that tastes like socks or something.
I think that was
Birthday cake.
It's like a white one.
It's still not good. It's a white one with the colored specks in it.
What are these specks with me?
Dishwater?
I don't know.
Yeah, that was
It's hard to tell. They're all just nasty. Like the bandage one is like very.
Both the ones I got weren't good. I don't know if I got it.
I can still taste the first one. I think it was stink bug. I don't like
That's
this whole
not the good
actually
one.
eating them thing.
That's definitely not the good one.
And we already did that.
That's a good one.
It's
This
got a
one's-
fucking janky fucking
Yeah, it's set
wonkiness
up
to it.
fucking dick.
no.
It's got to be folded fucking the other way. There we go.
Hammer it. It's fucking in the whole thing.
There we go.
It keeps going to stink bug. There's no other way you can fucking do it. Oh, there we go. Peach or barf.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Everybody
there we
grab
go.
an orange one.
Oh man, there we go.
Okay, do it at the same time though.
Yeah, everybody grab one. Oh
I don't know
man,
what I'm
I'm
looking
so
for.
not looking forward to this.
They should have them in packages so you don't have to fuck around.
Right?
Look at it, looks like this one.
Yeah. That's all. Oh yeah, that's definitely. I did not get a good one last
This
time.
one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like lingering hard.
Oh yeah.
What?
Oh wait, what one is it?
I was start showing you.
Hurry up, Jim. He's already plowed it home. Ready? Oh, Lord.
Like a candy. Like a candy.
That. That one was gross. That
Yeah.
one gave me water
Oh, the
jaw.
blue one.
Yeah, I got
It's either
barf.
toothpaste or something tasty.
What I used to like that one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
That gave me a lump in my throat.
blue. Let's go, Jim. Quit fucking around.
Either way, it's tasty. I like mint, so.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 10.
Oh, fuck.
Toothpaste.
Yeah,
I got a good one.
gross.
Haha.
I like toothpaste.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, could be worse,
Okay,
but
well,
yeah.
Right?
Go ahead.
It's kind of cleansing the fucking barf
Palate,
out of my
yeah.
mouth, so it's not bad.
Yeah, that one was
I
terrible.
might need another blue one in a sec. Fuck, we should open these ones up and get a couple of these ones going, because I need a cleanser or something.
Do it.
Oh, I stink bug and toast marshmallow again.
Fuck's sakes.
See, it's hard to not get that
I
one.
don't know. I'm very curious as to what the frickin' stink bug tastes like though.
It's terrible.
I'd assume so. Oh, is there any left?
I still got that barf one in my mouth. That's not
Toothpaste
good.
and booch is pretty.
I think that one's not stink bug.
We gotta do one of each. We should just do, fuck the wheel, we should just do one of each. Everybody grab the same one and we'll just pop it in, one that we
Okay,
haven't done.
red.
That's
we're
the
doing that one.
bandage one.
I'll pick a. We're doing like a pink fruity one with color
Pink
on.
fruity one with color.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 10.
And what's the red one?
What's,
Oh, man.
Mm.
Fuck, that's kite. I don't know what that is,
Yeah.
but that's terrible.
No, it's not good.
that was stinky socks. That's,
I don't know
that's
what I
what
got.
yours was, because I got Tutti Frutti.
I picked the red one
It's
out.
like popcorn or something.
Okay.
Red one?
Red
Yeah.
one? You got a red one?
I pre-picked that one before.
Red
Oh
one?
man, that's just fucking
Now
foul.
that one. That's a pink one. That's a red one.
Whatever. Oh,
Oh,
I got
no, that's not
pomegranate.
good.
Thank fuck.
Kenny.
Pomegranate.
Oh my god.
Is that the bandage?
That's the bandage for sure.
Yeah, they got the bandage. It tastes like the hospital smells, eh?
yeah. Oh man.
Yeah, that one's brutal. That one's probably the worst one.
Do one of these fucking yellow ones. I think that's piss.
Wow.
It's like piss or barf.
It's like a
Oh,
green
it's
yellow.
pear or booger. I wonder what a booger tastes like.
Jim, don't act like you don't know.
But like to them.
Yeah.
What they.
Okay, ready?
You gotta eat it, remember? Oh no.
That's fucking nasty.
I can't.
Oh! What a fucking, what the?
It tasted like rotten celery or something. Oh.
Oh, I'm no fun. I couldn't do that. Wow, that's booger? Wow. It's not what my boogers taste like.
Did you
No.
get it too?
Oh yeah.
Yuck.
Jesus.
You can like feel it when you breathe.
I don't think the booch makes it any better either.
No,
I like this
No,
one.
wait. I don't think there's any way to.
What are we doing?
Do we have to eat
just
them
do
all?
random ones. Yeah, get them up here.
Oh.
I don't want to eat them all. We can save them.
Orange? No fuck.
Oh, booger might be the worst.
Okay, get the pack away from Jimmy because he's just gonna cheat now and take it
What are
good
you doing?
tasty ones.
I just was having a cleanser. Yeah, I just had two. What ones do you?
Where we're picking orange?
Orange?
Yeah.
That one's dead fish or strawberry banana
Oh,
smoothie?
man.
Oh my.
Yeah. Here we go. Oh my god.
What?
All the nasty
Mine was really
flavors.
dead
This
fish.
color.
Mine was kite. I already ate mine. It was kite.
Jim's having a moment. Oh, thank goodness.
No, what happened?
Nasty.
Stuck in my teeth. It's not good.
Okay, I'll try this one.
God,
If it's
what is
kite, I
up with
quit.
that?
Look. Look at those ones.
Oh, we did those ones
skin.
already.
Skin.
Kenny.
Oh no. Oh
Green
God.
on it?
I fucking hope it's
Oh,
not.
I don't know.
You just down there like munching on them.
You like chasers.
Oh.
Pickle yucky. Pickle yucky. We done?
I'm done. That one. Nope. No was.
Okay, hear me a little bit.
good.
Was that one a floor one? For the love of
What
sakes.
happened here?
That's more better.
Oh man.
Don't forget to share it with the felon before you suck them all fucking back.
Why is it like when I breathe, I can feel it in my throat?
Yeah.
Because that's where your wind goes in, buddy.
Yeah,
Does.
no, but it's like the taste in my throat, and it's like fucking with my head.
Just pretend
Whatever.
it's semen, Jim.
It's all stuck in my teeth too, so it's like,
You should have your toothbrush here.
Oh my god.
No, no.
yeah, if I do, I haven't used it in like 3 years. My belly does not feel nice. Wow. Took me a couple of them.
Okay, go. Okay, go.
Here we go.